Hello friend, welcome back to the Maintenance YouTube channel. This video will focus on 4Runners and it will be actually not on the front but in the back. Apparently somebody at Toyota thought that the 4Runner is big enough, right? Big enough SUV that they will put the third row of seats inside. Let me show you what I mean. In this 4Runner, and most of them on the lot, you end up looking on this bump. And you might think, what is that? Some kind of storage, or what are they trying to do with it? Well, if you dig deeper, you find out that that's actually third row of the seats. So if you push that second row forward, you can lift these kind of, I will say, emergency seats, because they don't really even look good. So once again, in the detail, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 inches of the trunk, which normally was down here, you are losing. Very interesting design. Now this one was the model SR5. This is also SR5, and I already looked, the trunk is the same, but look at this one. This is TRD off-road, and let's see how the trunk is here. And voila, back to the normal world, I will say. I will personally 100 times appreciate having normal cargo space like this. And what do you think about it? Do you think the 4Runner is big enough SUV to have the third row and has that bump in the back? Or do you prefer the normal cargo space with the normal deep trunk? Well, let me know in the comments under this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. See ya.